Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see the next topic from the first unit, that is mathematical tools operations applied on images. So now we can see what are the topics we are going to see in this session. So in this session we are going to see what is mathematical tool, next what are the mathematical operations, and in that each and every operation, that is array operation, matrix operation, linear operation, arithmetic operations, next set operations, logic operations, spatial operations, and finally we will be seeing probabilistic based operations. So now we can see the mathematical tools. So first we can define, or we can see what is mean by mathematical tool. So mathematical tool can be defined as a functional technique that are used for computation. So how we can define it is an can be defined as a functional techniques that are used for computation. So otherwise, in another angle, if you want to define this, a systematic or concept based methods or principles used for computation. So come to our concept, that is in image, to carry out different processes we are using these mathematical tools. So with the help of these mathematical tools we can have various image processings. So some of them are listed below. So in image processing we are carrying out noise removal, filtering, masking, enhancing the image, mixing two images, color transforming, deblurring, sharpening, segmenting the image, compressing the image, morphing the image. So like that we can have a more list of image processes. So all these processes are carried out with the help of mathematical tools. So now we can see one by one. So first we can see array operation. So to have an understanding, we can take two images of 2 cross 2 size. So carrying out array product, so we will be getting the following output. So actually in array operation, pixel to pixel basis of operation is carried out. So saying about matrix operation, the same two images when taken, so here the product is carried out between rows and columns. So and we will get a convoluted output. So like this for image processing, like convolution, correlation, mapping. So for these purposes these are utilized, like array operation and matrix operations are utilized. So next we can see about linear and non-linear operations. So this is one among the important operations in image processing, that is linear, whether the image is linear or non-linear. So to analyze the image we will be applying the linear property. So to carry out this in image we need to check whether it obeys the property of additive or property of homogeneity. If it obeys additive and homogeneity, then we can call it as linearity. So if it does not obeys additive property and homogeneity property, then it is then the function is said to be non-linear. So we can have with an example. So consider H the functional operator that produces an output g of x comma y for a given input f of x comma y. So here H can be said as linear operator if it obeys additive and homogeneity, and if H does not obey, then it will be considered as non-linear. So in mathematical expression the same thing has been given below. So here it is an example for linear functionality. Here the right side and left side obeys additive property and homogeneity. So next we can see arithmetic operations. So saying about arithmetic operations, the same normal arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which are carried out between image pixels. These are carried out between image pixels. So for various processes, we record this and we will be using this arithmetic operations. So next we can see about set operations. In set operation, this is another method of operation that is carried out between two images. So for an understanding, we can take two images, say A and B. So the number of pixels in the image A can be taken as a one set, and pixels in B can be taken as another set. And while combining, while carrying out some process between two images, so when it is related to set operation, so the operations can be considered as union, that is combining, that is combining two images, union, intersection, that is what are the pixels which are associated with the two images, complement, that is the thing which is other than the corresponding image, that is called complement. Next, difference, that is A minus B, that is the B should be removed from A, which is what are the things associated which will be removed. So like that, set operations which is pictorially represented here, A union B, A intersection B, A complement, and A minus B. So such operations are carried out in image processing. Next we will be seeing about logical operations. So in saying about logical operations in image processing, we are carrying out the following logical operations: not, and, or, and, not, XOR. So like that, we are having some logical operations which are carried out in image processing. Then we can see about spatial operations. So actually spatial operations are performed directly on the pixel, that it is directly on the image pixel. For individual processing of a particular pixel, we will be prefer spatial operation. So the spatial operation is classified into three. One is single pixel operation, next one neighborhood operation, and third one geometric spatial transformation. So like that, the spatial operation is of three types. So we can see one by one about single pixel operation. So this is the simplest operation that can be performed on a digital image. Here the altering a particular individual pixel, that is altering the intensity of or intensity of particular pixel, or any other changes to be carried out in a particular pixel, it can be preferred. Single pixel operation can be carried out. So next we can see about neighborhood operation. In neighborhood operation, that is we will be carrying out we will carrying out and our changes based on a particular region, based on seeing about the or adjacent pixels. We will be carrying out some changes and we will be getting the output. So here the operation can be expressed with this following equation: how the output will be considered based on the region of pixels. Next we can see about geometric or transformation operation. So here the saying about geometric transformation, Here it modifies the spatial relationship between pixels. So in this operation, we have two basic operations. One is spatial transformation of coordinates, and another one is intensity modification. So seeing this, actually we can have, that is actually we can change by having some scaling. The image can be zoomed or reduced. So by carrying out some rotation, the image is moved in angular displacement. So otherwise, saying about transition, the image is modified from one form to another. Or saying about some other transformation, that is shearing, that is changing its position in vertical or horizontal direction. So like that, various transformation operations can be carried out. So saying about this here, it is expressed in mathematical expression, that is x comma y, that is the transformed image coordinates, t the transformation, and bw, that is the original image coordinates. So next we are going to see about the last operation, that is probabilistic based operation. Actually this operation is carried out on intensity of pixel. So it is working on the pixel for changing the intensity. So we can see an example. Let Zi denote the value of all possible intensities in a digital image, say m cross n. So the probability in this, the probability peak of intensity level occurring in an image is estimated as Pz of k is equal to nkmn. So this is the expression which operates on the image, that is carrying out probability based operation in an image. So this saying about this, its application area in contrast modification, changing the contrast of the image, change the brightness of the image, changing the carrying out the enhancements. In this area, the probability based operation is used. So I think we have come across various image processing operations. So like probability based operations, we have come across. Next, set operation, logical operations, we have come across array operations, matrix operations. So for further detailed reference, we can have these textbooks and reference books. And if you have any further doubts, I can contact my WhatsApp number 9710260926. So thank you, and we can see in the next section.